CIA와 MI6, KGB 등 각국 첩보기관의 폭주로부터 세계의 질서를 지키기 위해 설립된 초국가 첩보기관 시타델.
Citadel's top spies were Mason Kane, Nadia Singh, and me, Bernard Orlick.
하지만 한 요원의 배신과 전 세계 부호 가문들의 연합체인 맨티코어의 습격으로 시타델은 붕괴되었고,
In case a spy was captured, I could wipe all their memories to protect Citadel's secrets. I went into hiding, but then discovered Mason Kane had survived the attack. I found Mason and got him to help me bring down Manticore and their head honcho, Dahlia Archer, until they kidnapped me, which really pissed me off.
생존자를 규합해 반격을 준비하던 버나드는 맨티코어에 납치된 상황.
Just listen to my voice, okay? What's your name?
Arnaud Durand,
Where were you born, Arnaud?
Alsace.
How many brothers do you have?
3.
Ask him their names.
Oh, you f***ing ask him. You're right f***ing here.
Bernard.
그는 적에게 붙잡혀 맨티코어의 핵심 인물 브라가를 위해 위험한 신무기를 개발하고 있었죠.
I can feel something in my head. What's...
It's just a hunk of metal. A receiver.
Oh, what?
Something we're gonna write onto your brain.
그 무기는 바로 사람의 뇌에 마이크로칩을 이식해 원하는 대로 조종하는 기술.
We're all set, Mr. Braga.
Good, Joanna. It's time to shine, Bernard.
We're synced. He's ready to go.
Now let's see how truly brilliant you are. You know why I chose him? He and his brothers, those gentlemen over there, they've been stealing oranges from my farm. And we donate the fruits from these orchards to feed the poor, so we can't have that.
형제들을 죽이라는 잔혹한 명령이 내려지자 칩에 조종당한 실험체가 자신의 손으로 형제들을 죽여버립니다.
This. Keep this to me, please. Just, yeah. I waited a month for this!
Why did you do that?
Because you f***ed it up!
There's a chip in his head. You just shot him in his head.
Shit.
살아남은 시타델의 생존자들 역시 가만히 있지만은 않았는데
VIP only from here, buddy.
Maxwell Montaigne. What an honor.
브라가를 찾기 위해 맨티코어의 하수인들을 추적하는 요원 허치. 그가 위험을 무릅쓰고 적진에 뛰어든 이유는 단 하나. 브라가가 자신의 동료를 죽이려 했기 때문이었죠.
2 months ago, you smuggled cargo out of the U.S. paid for by Paulo Braga. Where is he?
He lives outside Marseille.
And what did he have you transport? Weapons? Drugs?
No. A man.
Shit. Orlick. He'll come in handy.
한편 딸 아샤를 지키기 위해 은둔 중인 시타델 1급 요원 나디아.
Take that wig off.
Why? You get to wear it.
And that stupid mask.
그녀는 아샤의 신분을 감춰줄 정보상 프랭크를 찾고 있었죠.
Soon? He called you the bravest person he knew. Why would he lie to me?
Finding him puts you at risk. And keeping you safe is my job.
Why?
Because I am your mother, Asha.
그런데 그 순간 그녀의 날카로운 직감에 포착된 낯선 인기척. 서둘러 아샤를 숨긴 나디아는 전투를 준비하지만 그 순간 적에게서 느껴지는 프로의 기운. 암살자는 나디아의 매복을 차단하기 위해 입구를 통째로 날려버립니다. 암살자에게 뛰어든 바샤로 인해 반격의 기회를 포착한 나디아. 격전 끝에 간신히 적을 처리하지만
I'm sorry.
I could kill her next time if you teach me.
아이를 위험에 빠뜨렸다는 죄책감, 그리고 적을 죽이는 방법을 알려달라는 딸의 말에 알 수 없는 위기감이 등골을 타고 올라옵니다. 멘티코어의 추격을 피해 스웨덴의 외딴 시골에 숨어 살고 있는 메이슨과 애비.
You know, when I'm done with Hendrik's room, I'm going to start in the basement. And I was thinking I could turn it into an art space. And the summers here are going to be beautiful.
I want to see Hendrix. I have been very patient.
기억을 잃고 카일로 살아왔던 메이슨은 요원 시절의 기억이 돌아온 뒤부터 두 자아가 충돌하기 시작했는데
Looking for me, Nadia, Carter, and you so they can kill us. So the best thing for Hendrix is to be with Orlik's family and for us to be here, getting a home ready for her for when it's safe. Until then, no contact, no communication.
I just want to see my daughter. I want to know that Hendrix is okay.
If she wasn't here...
Can we fix that door?
Hendrix is fine!
그녀의 재촉에 분노를 터뜨리는 메이슨. 그가 카일이던 시절이라면 상상도 할 수 없는 모습이었고
What do you want from me?
I want to know who is sitting across the table from me. Are you the man I married or are you him? Because you can't be both.
I'm the man you love.
How do I know that?
Just because I...
How do I know?
I don't know, okay? I don't know!
애비는 그런 남편의 모습에 점차 두려움을 느끼기 시작하죠.
Now I have memories, what I did, what was done to me. Everything that was Mason is now inside me. I have his dreams at night. His instincts, his desires, impulses, and his pain. I don't know if I coached Little League or slit throats, but I do know that I love you, I love Hendrix.
메이슨은 다시 카일로 살아가기 위해 애써 자신을 붙잡으려 하지만 두려움에 자리를 박차고 나가는 애비. 하지만 그녀는 모르고 있었죠. 자신 역시 기억이 지워진 시타델 요원이라는 사실을.
State media is reporting that Russian President Dmitry Aronov is set to attend the G8 summit next week.
쿠데타로부터 살아남은 러시아 대통령이 해외 순방을 시작한다는 소식이 퍼지고
The little Russian worm crawls out of his little Russian hole.
On the 11th, Mr. Aronov will join a number of other G8 member nations at Hallgarten Castle in Scotland.
러시아의 위성 네트워크를 빼앗기 위해 브라가는 대통령을 다음 타깃으로 지목합니다.
What do we have here?
완벽한 작전을 위해서는 버나드가 만든 신무기가 반드시 필요한 상황.
Open your mouth. Oh, good boy. So, Bernard, I don't like to be pushy. I know you can't rush art, but I need my assassin in 10 days.
버나드는 자신을 재촉하는 브라가의 눈빛에서 광기와 탐욕을 읽어내는데
You don't grow oranges here, do you? You said that man was stealing oranges for his brothers, but you don't grow oranges here.
브라가의 궁극적인 목적은 전 세계를 자신의 감시 아래에 두어 인류 최고의 권력자가 되는 것.
Humanity has an expiration date. My purpose in life is to extend the date of that extinction for my son.
Nobility is so thick in here, you could cut it with a plastic spoon.
I need a programmable assassin by next week, or I will find your daughter, skin her alive, peel her like a fucking orange.
하지만 브라가가 목적을 이루기 위해서는 자신의 기술이 필요하다는 사실을 버나드는 누구보다 잘 알고 있었고, 사람을 마음대로 조종하는 기술이 완성되기 전 버나드는 탈출을 감행하기로 결심합니다. 적의 무기를 빼앗아 저택 내부를 휘젓는 버나드. 그때 미처 처리하지 못한 적이 버나드의 등을 노리는데, 때마침 등장한 허치 덕분에 목숨을 건진 버나드.
You should be honored, by the way. I could have been saving anyone's life today, but I'm out here in this shithole saving your worthless ass.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Making sure no one else tries to shoot you in the head. That okay?
두 사람은 브라가의 저택을 아수라장으로 만든 뒤 유유히 현장을 벗어납니다.
Are you serious? What are you doing?
I'm trying to load up on fluids. Stay hydrated.
It's beer.
It's full of electrolytes and iron. They used to give new moms beer.
Yeah, they used to give the infirm leeches until they learned.
Moving boat.
Jesus.
브라가의 신무기에 대해 설명하며 그의 야욕을 막아야 한다는 버나드.
And then you can transmit those instructions and you can get them to do whatever you want them to do.
That sounds pretty sci-fi, Bernard.
Yep, because that's what I do, Hutch. I make sci-fi shit.
So what does an asshole like Paulo Braga want with a mind control device?
He wanted an instant assassin.
하지만 과거 멘티코어의 감옥에 오랫동안 갇혀 있었던 허치는 적에게 굴복해 무기를 만든 버나드의 선택에 날선 비난을 쏟아내죠.
That brain of yours will rationalize anything if it's going to get you where you want to go.
So how far is the CIA extraction point?
Yeah, the thing is, that's a little tough right now, Bernardo.
What does that mean?
I don't exactly have a team at Langley as such.
You're dark? Did the CIA burn you?
Bernard?
Tell me.
I burned them. Found out that Paulo Braga was funneling millions to terror cells in Europe. And to cover it up, he tried to have her killed. And I happen to really like this girl, like a sister.
같은 시간 독일의 한 주택가로 향하는 나디아.
Wer sind Sie?
Ich bin wegen der Party hier.
The trick is, hold it by the skull and down it in one feet first. Down the hatch.
그녀가 노리는 인물은 전직 CIA 관료이자 정보 브로커인 프랭크.
Okay, I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to go in here. Anyone comes through this door, shoot them. Try getting through that, you bastards.
Hi, Frankie.
What the
지난 습격으로 딸의 목숨이 위험해지자 나디아는 역으로 멘티코어의 모든 요원들을 박살내기 위해 그에게 정보를 요구하지만
I need the name of every Manticore agent so I can kill them.
Everyone's looking for you. Don't be ridiculous.
I'm not gonna have my daughter on the run every few weeks. I'm not gonna dye her hair, change her name. You're gonna wipe our identities. You're gonna disappear us like you do. Or I'll shoot you in the face.
The only thing I want to hear from you is I'm gonna do it, Nadia. Whatever you need, Nadia.
I'm radioactive. No one will go anywhere near me.
시타델을 붕괴시키려던 작전이 절반의 성공에 그치면서 프랭크는 정치적으로 실각되어 예전만큼의 힘을 잃어버린 상황.
You're pointing the gun at the wrong fella. You had a mole within Citadel.
I know we had a mole.
Do you know who it is, do you?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, I think you know who it is. I think you know because you married him.
나디아는 그로부터 시타델 붕괴의 원흉이 바로 메이슨이었다는 충격적인 사실을 듣게 됩니다.
I don't know. But they're burning Citadel to the ground.
You remember?
I remember everything.
한편 딸의 안전을 확인하기 위해 탈출을 결심한 애비. 하지만 그녀가 보낸 연락은 곧장 맨티코어에게 포착되고
Jag tror att jag har någonting att göra imorgon. Jag skulle träffa jaktlaget.
Om henne.
맨티코어 정보부는 요원들에게 애비와 메이슨을 제거하라는 명령을 내리죠. 왠지 모를 불안한 낌새에 방을 뒤져본 메이슨은 그제야 애비가 사라졌다는 사실을 깨닫고 집을 몰래 빠져나와 딸을 보호하고 있는 요원 카터와 접선하는 애비.
You good?
How's Hendrix?
You'll see tomorrow. Don't thank me. Right? I owe you
For what?
for lying to you.
Lying about what?
He didn't want you to know.
Kyle?
Mason.
No what?
그런데 바로 그 순간 맨티코어의 암살자들이 현장을 습격하고
You have to run.
퇴로가 막힌 두 사람은 살아남을 유일한 방법이 기습뿐이라는 것을 직감합니다.
Mason Kane!
위기의 순간에 나타나 애비를 도와주는 메이슨.
Carter! They killed Carter!
I told you not to contact anyone. Stay there!
그는 간신히 암살자들을 처리하지만 한눈을 판 사이 애비가 납치당해버리고 집으로 돌아온 메이슨은 애비를 구하기 위해 무기들을 챙기는데 맨티코어가 어느새 은신처의 위치를 알아낸 걸까? 또다시 누군가의 습격을 받게 되죠. 그런데 상대의 정체는 다름 아닌 나디아.
What is wrong with you?
It was you.
나디아는 시타델을 배신한 메이슨을 처단하기 위해 직접 그를 찾아온 것이었죠. 그녀의 눈빛에서 깊은 증오심을 읽은 메이슨은 더 이상의 저항을 포기하는데
Dahlia's your mother. You gave her all our names, our covers.
I didn't know.
They murdered thousands of us.
I didn't know who she was or who she was working for.
You murdered thousands
And
of us.
Citadel murdered my father.
사실 아버지의 복수를 위해 시타델을 배신했던 메이슨.
They made me into this.
You took 8 years from me. Stay away from us. If I see you again, I will kill you.
가족을 지키기 위해 이곳까지 찾아온 나디아는 차마 메이슨을 죽이지 못한 채 발걸음을 돌리죠.
I live for one day.
같은 시각 버나드가 휩쓸고 간 저택을 수습 중인 브라가.
Is that blood on the wood?
The cleaners said they can get the blood stains out, sir, so...
I'll know it's there deep down in the cracks of the wood. I'll always know. Tell me you fucking have something.
Yeah, he had help. American made. The guy who helped him is former CIA.
How could Bernard do this to us?
Relax.
How can I be relaxed? We lost the one man who could build what we need. And we have 9 days.
신무기를 완성할 버나드는 사라졌지만 조아나는 그의 빈자리를 채워줄 한국인 해커의 존재를 언급하고
Put a partner on the Korean while you and I look for Orlik.
That's Mason Kane's wife. We have her.
게다가 맨티코어는 애비의 신변을 확보한 상황.
He didn't want you to know.
Kyle?
Mason. Who you are.
애비의 정체가 시타델 요원이라는 비밀까지 들키게 됩니다.
This scar. I told you that was from a car accident, yeah? Is that what they told you?
What?
My name is Joanna Malvern. It is a pleasure to meet you, Celeste. Celeste.
한편 신분을 위장해 이탈리아로 향하는 버나드.
John Mellencamp? You thought John Mellencamp was a good cover? You thought that name would keep me undetected?
It's not too late to cancel your train ticket if you want to find your own way out of this shithole. All right? Who's in Italy?
An old friend. If anybody can put together my old team, it's him.
그가 찾아간 사람은 다름 아닌 로이터 통신기자.
Metti le mani dove posso vedere.
You're out of Campari. What kind of Italian are you?
Bernardo.
Ciao.
What the kind of cereal is this? What's the matter? You Italians never heard of sugar?
버나드는 자신에 대한 소식을 기사로 내보내달라고 부탁하는데
I need you to put out a story for me.
For 25 years, you fed me false intel to get stories written that furthered Citadel's interests.
Yes.
Come on. If you got to use so many fancy words to convince someone doing something, they're probably not going to do it. Look, buddy, run the story tomorrow, or I'm going to come back here and shoot you in the dick, okay?
단순한 제보처럼 보였던 그 행동. 하지만 그것은 흩어진 시타델 요원들을 결집시킬 한 발의 신호탄이었죠. 같은 시각 영국의 한 가정집에 침입하는 메이슨.
Hey, Mom.
그곳에는 메이슨의 어머니이자 시타델을 파멸로 몰고 간 장본인 아처가 기다리고 있었죠.
First, I need you to help me find my wife.
Didn't we do this once before?
납치된 애비를 구하기 위해 맨티코어의 핵심 인물인 어머니의 힘을 빌리려 한 것이었고
It's an encryption used by the Manticore families.
Is this Paulo Braga, the billionaire?
And head of the wealthiest Manticore family.
Where can I find him?
Maybe a bit of luck has already come your way.
뜻밖에도 아처는 버나드가 언론을 통해 흘린 비밀 집결 신호를 알려줍니다.
I sort of like the new you.
I still fucking hate the old you.
They're all coming for you, love. You think they'll ever forgive you for what you did to Citadel? When they turn on you, which they will, you would do well to have family watching your back.
그리고 버나드가 메이슨을 죽일 거라는 의미심장한 경고까지 남기는데
What are you talking about?
One man planned that drone strike, gave the order that killed your father, and I assure you, he won't hesitate to kill you.
메이슨은 미처 몰랐지만 버나드는 대의를 위한다는 명분 아래 수백 명의 사람들을 학살하고 메이슨의 아버지까지 죽인 장본인이었죠.
Nadia?
What is it?
Atlanten tidigt i morse och en amerikansk turist dog. En man, Brad Hedmer från Townhall, Kalifornien, dödförklarades av franska myndigheter.
Isn't that your friend?
It is.
잠시 후 신호를 해독한 나디아는 버나드가 있는 곳을 알아내고
We gotta go.
브라가와 목숨을 건 싸움을 결심한 버나드는 마지막으로 가족에게 전화를 걸죠.
Hello?
Joe,
Bernard.
listen to me. I have 3 burners, 10 seconds each, okay? This is the last time you're going to hear my voice, so take in everything I tell you, okay?
Please slow down.
허락된 시간은 불과 30초.
Bernard, please.
No, shh. Listen, Joe, you stay put. You understand? You stay put. You don't trust anyone.
Bernard, don't do this.
And when you see the stars falling from the sky, you will know that everything is okay again. Understand?
Bernard.
And tell Val that I love her.
Okay.
Joe?
I love you, Bernard.
사랑한다는 말 한마디를 전하기에도 너무나 짧고 잔인한 시간이었죠. 며칠 뒤
You look nice.
And you're alive.
버나드의 신호를 받은 시타델 요원들이 하나둘 그의 은신처로 모이기 시작합니다.
Why the SOS, Bernard?
Okay, guys, we get it. You don't trust each other. But can we keep this moving? We haven't got all day.
Who's this clown?
Hutch. Jim. It's a pleasure. This is my partner, Celine Rohr.
Not a pleasure.
Please tell me what I'm doing here.
They're former CIA, and this is your new mission.
You really know how to pick 'em, huh?
하지만 메이슨과 마주치자마자 자리를 박차고 나가는 나디아.
I know it was him.
How?
I spent 8 years in a bunker. I had a lot of time to think. I figured it either had to be you or him. When I saw the way you looked at him in there, I had my answer.
버나드는 떠나려는 그녀를 붙잡고 메이슨과 함께해야 하는 이유를 알려줍니다.
Manticore is going to come after you and your daughter and me and mine. And if you want to get out of this thing, if you want to get truly out for good, then what you have to do is you have to kill them first. Oh, that's the only way. And if Mason Kane is good at one thing, it's killing people. Please, just give me 72 hours, all right? And if he makes one wrong move, I will fucking kill him myself.
사람을 죽이는 일에 타고난 재능을 가진 메이슨. 한때 동료들을 죽음으로 몰고 간 그 치명적인 능력을 이제는 적을 무너뜨리는데 이용해야 할 때가 온 것이었죠.
So these are your best and brightest, Bernard?
Enough. Come over here.
작전의 최우선 목표는 러시아 대통령을 암살하려는 브라가를 저지하는 것.
Why?
I believe he wants eyes everywhere.
The Russian spy satellite network.
It's the cutting edge of surveillance technology. The only problem for Paolo is that President Aronov is a nationalist. But if Paolo kills Aronov and puts their corrupt prime minister in power, then he would have eyes everywhere. The G8 is in 7 days.
브라가의 신무기를 막기 위해 버나드는 이미 방화벽을 심어두었지만 문제는 그 방화벽을 무력화할 수 있는 천재 해커 에디슨이 존재한다는 사실이었죠.
We have to get him before Braga does.
That's Frank Sharp, maitre d' of the European spy world. Maybe he can lead us to Edison.
나디아는 에디슨을 찾아줄 조력자로 프랭크를 지목합니다.
I get it. As a team, we're a disaster.
Don't undersell it.
But we're the only ones standing in the way of this lunatic.
작전을 앞두고 가족의 안전을 위해 아샤를 피신시키는 나디아.
How much further? I have to pee.
Hold it.
I'm 8. Show a little compassion.
그녀가 유일하게 아이를 믿고 맡길 인물. 아이러니하게도 오래전 자신을 버렸던 어머니였죠.
I wish I didn't have to see the woman that abandoned her daughter either.
Abandoned. I did what I did as a mother to protect you. If you knew where I was, any number of organizations would have tried to kill you to get that information.
You're as much a martyr as you're a mother.
60 seconds. Why are you here?
I need you to keep her safe. You're my only choice. Her name is Asha.
My mother's name was Asha.
This is your grandmother. She'll keep you safe.
Up will movie valley lady henna.
Call me honey.
그렇게 아샤를 안전한 곳으로 보내지만 나디아는 어쩐지 발걸음을 떼지 못합니다. 그날 오후 프랭크에게서 에디슨의 정보를 캐묻는 버나드 일행.
Edison was a hacker, which is what he did, and then he left.
That's it? Do you remember what he looked like?
I didn't see his face. He had a bag over his head.
문제는 프랭크에게도 별다른 정보가 없다는 것, 그리고 에디슨을 찾아낼 유일한 방법은 CIA 서버에 직접 접근하는 것뿐이었죠.
If Edison was handled by the CIA, they would know his true identity, they would know his whereabouts, and that intel would be stored at CIA European headquarters in Rome.
Bernard, what are you saying? You want to break in there?
Yeah.
That information is in an air-gapped server in an
I
ultra-secure
literally
room
can't hear
on
you.
a floor that you have to have top-level security clearance just to get onto.
Fucking CIA we're talking about. They're absolute morons. We can do this blindfolded. We can do this.
Now, you said we.
Yeah.
That made me nervous.
I understand that you're a master in the art of accruing compromising information.
Well, then, you must have been misinformed.
You're broke, and I'm hiring. There's no need to overcomplicate.
빈털터리가 된 데다 일거리까지 필요했던 프랭크를 포섭하며 버나드는 CIA를 습격할 결심을 세우지만
Can we really trust Oleg?
I don't know.
And the pretty ones? J'aime pas leur énergie. Je saurais pas dire s'ils ont envie de s'entretuer ou de s'entrebaiser.
Yeah. So annoying.
자신의 출신 조직인 CIA를 치는 일에 허치는 쉽게 마음을 정하지 못했고
On fake attitude. Like out from numero uno.
And numéro 2.
Numero uno is, that means me and you is numero uno. It's the royal uno.
I'm breaking your chops.
You're breaking my balls.
게다가 허치의 파트너인 셀리는 CIA에 충성하는 요원으로
Celine Ward, Agents Benjamin Cash and Charles Bantam. You know where this is?
No idea.
Dar al Maqsid, Legislative Building, Morocco. Seamus Palace, Lithuania. The Children's Museum, Oslo. Goddamn butterfly exhibit.
Is this the work of a terrorist?
This is the work of your new partner, James Hutch. Oh, he's an A-plus agent. Oh, and he is an A-plus asshole. He was a maniac. A menace.
유능하지만 언제나 예측 불가능한 허치를 통제하기 위해 CIA가 붙여둔 감시자에 가까웠죠.
So I help him stay on mission.
Then he goes off the reservation. We're talking full Bonnie and Clyde. You have to promise us that you'll extinguish him. Take him out. We'll do as we ask. Without hesitation. Will that be a problem, Miss Roar?
Great flow. 과연 이번 작전에서 그녀는 어떤 변수로 작용할까? 버나드의 팀은 서로를 향한 의심을 잠시 접어두고 본격적인 작전을 준비하기 시작합니다.
It is human error, but we plan to make them work for us.
CIA 잠입에 필요한 것은 내부의 조력자들.
Have a lovely day.
Pleasure as always. She's in.
Okay.
모든 준비를 마친 버나드 일행은 마침내 CIA 본부로 직행하고
Can I help you?
It'll just be a second. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We
a side mission. Tell Bantam and Cash to get out here. We're gonna make a deal.
She has a gun!
서로에게 총을 겨누는 일촉즉발의 상황이 발생하는데
Stop! They're not here to make a deal with you. They're here to steal intel. And I will make you a trade. Mason Kane and Bernard Orlick.
You don't think Langley will kill for them? All you have to do is disappear me and my daughter.
Give me Bantam and Cash.
나디아가 기지를 발휘해 CIA를 협상 테이블로 끌어내는데 성공합니다.
The question is, where the fuck have you been? Going against our orders and trying to kill Braga?
Guys. Don't give yourselves a hernia.
현재 허치는 CIA를 무단으로 이탈한 상태였고
Bold move coming in. I'd say you were double crossing if there was still an agency for you to cross.
그 때문에 변절자로 의심받고 있었지만 사실 진짜 작전은 이제부터 시작이었습니다.
Signore Delani, sono Leon Brazzi del San Vicente.
Tutto bene, ma Felix ha avuto un piccolo incidente al parco giochi.
Oddio.
Pensiamo che il suo braccio sia rotto.
Vengo subito. Guardi, arrivo appena posso.
Grazie mille, signora.
CIA 요원들을 원하는 방향으로 유도하는 시타델 요원들.
Can I get a coffee first?
You give me the truth, or I will literally shit in you.
Get him a coffee.
This last year has taken a huge toll on my mental health.
Jesus Christ. I don't have time for this shit.
I'm on the way back from my last mission in Damascus on a Qatari air flight. And I'm watching the best exotic Marigold Hotel. And I start bawling my fucking eyes out.
그리고 외부에서는 동료들의 침투를 도와줄 버나드의 최첨단 장비가 작동을 준비하고 있었죠.
Okay, so if I just get what I need.
And it dawned on me, this is my sunset.
That's quite a story. I've got chills.
Oh, is that for me? Thank you.
Bantam forgot to mention, though, you're also spotted by agents in France. Never in Belize.
Shit. All right, guys, you got me. I need help. I'm in way too deep. That's why I came.
고막을 파고드는 강력한 파. 그 한 번의 공격으로 CIA 요원들은 순식간에 무력화되고
How much more? 10 more seconds.
미국 최고의 첩보 기관조차 완전히 허를 찔린 상황.
4, 5, 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 5, 6.
이 모든 것은 작전이 시작되기 전부터 시타델 요원들이 곳곳에 심어둔 작은 장치들 덕분이었습니다.
And what if I told you I could give you your money?
What?
But I just need one thing from you. Just a cup of coffee.
Oh, is that for me?
감시 요원이 자리를 비우게 만든 사소한 유도까지 눈에 띄지 않는 모든 행동들이 모두 작전을 위한 포석이었던 것.
My ID! Open the door, Tony!
하지만 단 한 가지, 나디아가 CIA의 협상을 제안한 것만큼은 사전에 합의된 계획이 아니었는데.
What was all that? Turning everybody in. We're up to something shit.
Well, it was a shit show. No one believed you.
Yes.
그 돌발 행동의 대가로 호치는 나디아를 향해 방아쇠를 당겨버립니다.
Jesus, Hutch! Suspect shot! We need medical! Hutch is in the U-swing! He's headed towards the library!
나디아를 치료하기 위해 CIA 요원이 그녀를 수습하려 하지만 사실 여기서부터가 진짜 작전의 시작이었죠. 허치 일행의 목적은 CIA 서버실에 침투해 에디슨에 대한 정보를 빼내는 것.
Salut ma jolie. Ah.
The heat's on, mister. 24, 5, 81, 249.
Access denied.
Shut up!
Jiver speeds past in his machine. A broken guard from a rusty world, touched in onyx glove. Whatever happened to the TA?
Thank you.
모든 작전이 무르르듯 순조롭게 이어지며 허치는 마침내 CIA 서버에 접속하죠.
Holy shit. You sneaky little sons of bitches. Now that's a bait and switch.
Hey, dickheads!
Yeah, that was actually kind of messed up. Oh, shit. Didn't I give you the earplugs?
You didn't.
외부에서 대기 중이던 차량에 올라 유유히 현장을 빠져나가는 허치. 하지만 차량에 막히며 꼼짝없이 총격을 당할 위기에 놓이는데 유일하게 그들을 막을 수 있는 요원마저 프랭크에게 약점을 잡힌 상황.
You mind if I sit down?
Do I know you?
Tell me something. What position would you call that? You look embarrassed. I wouldn't be. That's a hell of a performance.
결국 요원은 방아쇠를 당기지 못한 채 허치 일행을 놓치고 맙니다.
Did you get him?
Negative.
You have it? All right, who's Edison?
Ha Jun-yu, Korean national, born in 73.
He's one of the richest men in South Korea. He was a former hacker that went private. Looks like we're going to Seoul, guys.
Probably not. In 2 days' time, it's the Greenpeace annual gala in Windsor. They're going to be hosting it.
그렇게 에디슨의 정보를 빼내는데 성공하지만 버나드는 무슨 이유에서인지 무거운 마음으로 술잔을 기울이죠.
You started without me?
It's been a long day. Do you know the world used to be a place where things were very clearly defined? Good and evil, right and wrong, truth and lies. And we, as spies, were supposed to soldier into the murk, into the gray, and see things clearly. But for the last 8 years, I have not been able to see things clearly. I don't know who's a threat or who isn't anymore.
시타델의 붕괴와 함께 수천 명이 끔찍하게 살해당한 사건.
2,562 people were slaughtered in their homes.
버나드는 그 일을 언급하며 메이슨에게 비난의 화살을 돌리지만
I went to her because the agency was keeping my wife from me, and she told me the organization I devoted my life to had killed my father when I was a boy. I said I'd help bring him to justice. What the fuck could you have done?
Probably something that wouldn't have killed 2,000 innocent people.
메이슨은 정의를 내세우는 시타델 역시 무고한 사람들을 희생시켜왔다는 사실을 지적하며 버나드의 말을 정면으로 반박하죠.
We were tracking a terror cell, and our informant sold us out. I was given the wrong coordinates.
Because you killed my father, Bernard. You murdered 342 UN workers. How are we not the same? How are we not the same?
I made a decision to help others. It went wrong. You made a decision to help yourself. To feed your vengeance. That's how we're not the same.
적에게 속아 실수로 사람을 죽인 것과 대의를 명분으로 의도적인 학살을 벌인 것은 다르다는 버나드의 외침.
How am I supposed to help you if I'm always looking over my shoulder?
Don't worry about it. If I shoot you, it won't be in the back.
하지만 개인적인 복수를 위해 수천 명의 동료를 죽음으로 몰아넣은 메이슨은 그 말 앞에서 아무런 반박도 할 수 없었죠. 날이 밝자 곧장 에디슨으로 알려진 해커 유하준을 확보하기 위해 작전을 세우는 버나드.
How do we know Paolo knows who he is?
I'm sure he will pay a fortune for that intel very soon. So, Hutch, you and Celine, you're going to neutralize the target. You two are going to carry out the exfil. Frank and I... Francis and I will be waiting outside to transport. Got it?
Yeah. Just a couple of 100 billionaires, all with their own private security detail. What could go wrong?
We've seen worse.
문제는 브라가 역시 에디슨의 정체가 하준이라는 정보를 손에 넣었다는 것.
Ha Jun-yu? Mm-hmm. Wait, didn't we have dinner with him?
Saint-Tropez last summer.
Seemed a little bit dull for Gina's hacker.
He'll be in Windsor tomorrow attending Greenpeace's gala. I'm gonna send her in there to intercept
No.
him.
You know how I love a good party, don't you?
It's too dangerous.
The future is. a ladder of chess moves.
과연 멘티코어와 시타델 중 하준을 먼저 손에 넣는 자는 누가 될 것인가?
That's great. Yeah, that's good. Okay, you go. I think you're supposed to have your clothes on. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, maybe try one that's like passport. You ever get one of those passport photos?
CIA 출신인 셀리는 시타델의 작전에 여전히 회의감을 느끼고 있었고.
You good?
Being on a mission to kill someone is spiritually draining.
That's why it's my mission and not yours.
I don't like this mission for you either.
I've made a career out of putting down scumbags and pricks, okay? It's all I'm good at, and I actually really enjoy doing it. Braga's one of those guys who forfeited his right to breathe when he put out a hit on you because you're a good person.
허치 역시 브라가에게 복수하기 위해 협조하고 있을 뿐이었죠.
And Citadel?
Citadel's just a means to an end.
Tu crois pas qu'on devrait leur dire la vérité sur Edison? Je veux dire, là, on est une équipe, on travaille tous ensemble. Si on commence à leur mentir ou à les décevoir, franchement, on vaut pas mieux que Braga.
We're talking about your life here. It's just too big of a risk to take.
두 사람만이 알고 있는 에디슨의 진짜 비밀. 시타델은 그것을 미처 알지 못한 채 에디슨 확보 작전을 개시하는데.
There he is.
커플로 위장해 에디슨에게 접근하는 메이슨과 나디아.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
We're married.
Married couples don't kiss.
Don't they?
하지만 커플이라는 역할 때문일까? 두 사람은 부부였던 시절의 상처를 꺼내들며 서로를 비난하기 시작합니다.
I erased those memories. And I didn't even need you to backstop me to do it. We weren't really married. Why did you come back?
For Abby?
And now you want to save Abby?
What kind of question is that? She's the mother of my child and I love her.
You're not capable of love.
I loved you.
No. You loved. Then I loved you.
I loved you.
No, you didn't.
I did. Maybe I still do.
They're on the move.
메이슨이 배신자라는 사실을 알게 된 뒤부터 나디아는 그가 처음부터 자신을 이용하기 위해 일부러 접근했다고 의심하고 있었죠.
Bernard should be in position. Where's Hutch?
He's on it. So why are you trying to play me?
You're the one who's playing.
Oh, please, as if I can't see through the I'm still in love with you seduction act.
Is it an act?
You can't be in love with two people, Mason. So you slaughtered innocent people, ruined so many lives, including mine.
You could have kept away from the agency after you had Asha.
Let go of my hand, Mason.
But you didn't. You came back. You boarded that train.
I came back for you, you f***ing asshole.
No. No, see, you came back because you missed it. You know, I spent a lot of time wondering why I loved you. Now, when I was with you, by comparison, I was doing all right.
그렇게 서로의 가슴을 후벼 파는 날선 말들이 오가는 사이 허치가 타깃에게 접근합니다.
The more that guy talks, the worse it gets.
Hey, have you guys, could I've got some champagne here. Could I give this to your guests?
Sure.
Great. All right. Enjoy.
How long will this take?
Almost instant.
바로 그 순간.
Boss, Paro is looking for you.
Excuse me, darling.
브라가가 하준을 호출하면서 약을 탄 샴페인은 무용지물이 되어버리는데 하지만 이상하게도 하준을 쫓아가지 않고 파티장을 서성거리는 허치와 셀린. 두 사람의 시선이 향한 곳은 하준이 아니라 바로 그의 아내.
Time to go.
I am.
Hello? Hajun, brother. So sorry to pull you away from the party. It's such a good cause. And so, I wanted to steal a tight five with you to ask for your help.
So set up a meeting.
Not that kind of help. Please have a seat. I have a program that needs to be finished, and there's only one person in the world who can finish it. Edison.
브라가는 에디슨을 손에 넣었다고 생각했지만 허치가 노린 진짜 타깃은 따로 있었는데 에디슨이라 알려진 천재 해커의 정체는 하준이 아님 바로 그의 아내였던 것.
They never expect a woman.
Who is that?
I am no one. But you are Edison.
Come on, Frenchie, time to go.
퇴로를 확보하던 허치는 수상한 낌새를 눈치챈 아파르나에게 가로막히고
Your husband was the cover.
결국 허치와 셀린 모두 제압당하며 에디슨은 맨티코어의 손에 넘어가게 됩니다.
You always did strike me as an idiot. It seems like I should be negotiating with your wife instead.
동료들과 연락이 끊기자 내부에 배신자가 있다는 사실을 직감한 버나드.
How much are they paying you?
What?
How much are they paying you?
I don't know what you...
그는 곧 프랭크가 에디슨에 대한 정보를 조작했다는 사실을 간파하죠.
3 million.
For what?
Edison's identity and whereabouts. How did you know?
Because you're a desperate man, Paul.
So what?
And you also seem like a highest bidder kind of guy. So I'll give you 4. Okay?
Okay.
하지만 에디슨의 정체를 모른 채 브라가의 뒤를 쫓는 메이슨과 나디아.
Don't make a f***ing sound.
나디아가 브라가를 향해 방아쇠를 당기려는 바로 그 순간 돌연 메이슨이 그녀를 기절시켜버립니다. 동료들 몰래 브라가를 납치해가는 메이슨.
What's happening?
Anybody?
We have Hajun coming down now.
We're ready for you.
Can we please just stop? Drive.
그리고 그 납치를 사주한 인물은 다름 아닌 아처였죠. 메이슨의 목표는 단 하나. 브라가를 이용해 납치된 애비를 구출하는 것.
Turn that shit off.
It's Leslie Jones, you twat.
그래서 그는 동료들을 따돌려 브라가를 확보했던 것이죠.
Don't you remember? Our last year in London, you were in the Nutcracker. I mean, the chorus, of course. Oh, you could hear your voice above all the other little imps. You were a cherub. You really don't remember?
Not at all.
Well, that's a shame. One of the few.
그때 우연히 경찰차와 마주치고
Smile. Easy.
트렁크에서 들려오는 절박한 소리에 경찰이 반응하려는 그 순간 아처는 경관의 머리를 날려버리며 도주를 시도하는데
Did you just do? Things change quickly when you have a man in the trunk of your car.
He was a kid.
He was a cop. There are cameras on every street corner. In no time, they'll identify the make and model of the unmarked vehicle near the Plymouth estate at the time of Paolo Braga's kidnapping.
그 모습을 본 메이슨은 목적을 위해서라면 수단과 방법을 가리지 않는 아처의 잔혹한 본성을 다시 한번 마주하게 되죠.
God, this was a mistake. Coming back to you, trusting you again.
We never learn in this family.
의식을 되찾은 나디아가 복귀하고 뒤늦게 메이슨의 배신을 알게 된 버나드.
Mason took Paolo. He's gonna use him as leverage to get Abby back.
Could you let him take
Don't
him?
you put this on me. You brought him back.
Damn it!
Hutch.
Yo. Tell me you have Edison.
We lost Edison.
No, Paolo just killed Edison.
상황이 이렇게 되자 허치 역시 에디슨의 정체를 동료들에게 털어놓을 수밖에 없었고.
I may have fudged the truth a little bit.
You fudged the truth a little? What?
That crazy knife bitch took Edison.
Well, find her.
Dick.
What the fuck you mean he's gone?
Kane took him.
Where?
We don't know.
I want you to call in every fucking favor. Metro Police, 10 Downing, call them all.
No!
브라가를 납치한 메이슨은 이제 시타델과 멘티코어 양쪽 모두에게 쫓기는 신세가 되어버립니다.
Your friends or his will find us here. I'd say we have 2 hours till they do. Why don't you go and clean up?
메이슨이 노리는 것은 브라가를 인질로 삼아 애비를 되찾는 것.
Well, how did he disappear so quickly?
Coming in, there was a car parked. Just off the road, it was a grey Fiat, but I didn't get the plates.
Well, I got some friends at the Met. They might be able to help with that.
You think he stole the car, or search all property records in London ever owned by Dahlia Archer or Thomas Kane?
Yep, you got it.
하지만 상대는 사람의 심리까지 파고드는 잔혹한 인물 브라가. 그가 과연 순순히 인질 교환에 응할 것인가?
You know this is suicide. How does this play out?
I get my wife, they get you.
There's one big problem with the offer. I don't even know if she is still alive.
It would be very bad for you if anything has happened to her.
He has a son. Must be what? 10 by now? Yeah. I would bring him his wife.
I will burn you to death like your husband.
We need a number.
How do I know you'll hold up your end of the bargain?
You don't.
Number.
메이슨은 브라가에게서 알아낸 연락처로 조아나와 협상을 시도하고.
Listen, if you want him back, bring Abby Conroy to London immediately.
This is you, Dahlia.
Well, when your kid's in a pickle.
We have everyone on this. We'll find you within the hour.
No, you really are out of your depth, you ridiculous twat. I'll call back with a location.
멘티코어의 핵심 인물인 브라가를 잃을 수 없었던 조아나는 결국 협상에 응하기로 하죠.
Time to go.
We have Edison now. So all this, it's meaningless.
I'm just here for my wife.
And you really trust your mother to make the call? Maybe she's negotiating for something more and will sell you out in the process.
At least she's not here negotiating with you.
So you don't trust her?
한편 작전에 실패한 시타델 요원들은 사태의 원인을 두고 서로를 탓하기 시작하는데.
Nothing on Mason yet.
You let him get to you.
I didn't.
If you didn't keep your daughter's very existence from him, he never would have flown off the handle.
You are to blame. You created him. You did.
What's the first rule of the agency? Do not get involved with another agent.
Ugh.
And you two were fucking around like it was spring break.
Why did you bring him into this, Bernard? You knew he was a mole.
메이슨이 배신자임을 알고도 왜 다시 팀에 끌어들였냐는 질문에 버나드는 아무 말도 하지 못했죠.
The things you build are flawed because you are flawed.
사실 버나드는 메이슨을 향한 죄책감과 미안함 때문에 그를 작전에 투입시켰던 것. 하지만 그가 메이슨에게 던진 말들은 결국 메이슨이 아초와 손잡는 최악의 결과를 불러오고 말았죠.
We should burn the car, steal another one to transport him. You'll probably be better at that than me. You go. Time's ticking.
한편 메이슨과 멘티코어 사이에서 아슬아슬하게 줄타기를 하던 아처.
It's been a while since you signed my death warrant. You're looking more and more like your father.
멘티코어의 핵심 인물인 아처가 조직을 배신하면서까지 아들을 돕는 이유가 무엇일까?
helping him.
Love.
Love!
Maybe I wanted to make amends to him.
놀랍게도 그녀가 메이슨에게 협력한 이유는 아들에 대한 미안함 때문이었죠.
You built Manticore to set the world on fire, just like they did to your husband, so the world could know your pain. I'm here to do it again.
I'm here to help my son. But I don't have you gagged, do I?
브라가가 납치된 지 몇 시간째 그를 추적하던 버나드 일행은 마침내 메이슨의 위치를 알아내고
Here, 37 St. Anne's Way.
조아나는 약속 시간에 맞춰 에비와 브라가의 인질 교환을 준비합니다.
You're making a mistake.
Under the Haymouth Bridge, East End, 4 a.m. Don't be late.
인질 교환을 앞두고 메이슨에게 말을 걸어오는 브라가.
I dream of my father sometimes. We're in the ocean, off the coast of St. Louis. We're drowning. Closer and closer the boat comes. I push him under the water. I hold down his skull. It goes.
그는 메이슨의 아버지 이야기를 꺼내며 한 인간을 괴물로 만드는 것은 결국 부모라고 말을 하는데
I heard once that we become our true selves when our father dies.
그것은 메이슨의 심리적 빈틈을 파고들어 탈출 기회를 만들려는 브라가의 교묘한 계략이었죠.
And then you killed thousands to avenge his death. Do you think he will be proud of you? Of what you did for him?
Is this how you think you're gonna get to me?
I think I leave here dead man. Flattery didn't work earlier. I'm thinking maybe guilt could.
조금씩 메이슨이 동요하기 시작하자 더욱 집요하게 상처를 파고드는 브라가.
We can remake the world the way your father saw it.
I told you I'm done talking about my father.
Because he would be ashamed of you, that you're his son. I'm giving you a choice. To absolve yourself from what you've done. To reject what you are. That's why you became a spy, isn't it? Because it was the only way to hide your true nature. To hide even you from yourself. Because if you saw what you really were, you wouldn't be able to go on. You've brought only pain and death to everyone who loved you. And your daughters will grow up and they'll have to spend the rest of their lives scrubbing themselves of any residue of you, so horrified that they're yours, that they'll dream about drowning you out in an ocean and wonder why the world didn't allow them the chance to kill you themselves.
하지만 그의 시도는 단 한 발의 총성 앞에 무너져 버립니다. 문제는 브라가가 죽으면서 에비를 구할 유일한 협상 카드 역시 사라져 버렸다는 것. 브라가가 죽은 줄 모르는 조아나는 에비와 함께 약속 장소로 향하고
You may have just killed your wife.
What are we gonna do?
What size suit you wear?
같은 시각 메이슨의 위치를 알아낸 버나드 일행 역시 은신처에 접근하기 시작하죠. 그들의 접근을 눈치챈 것일까? 현장에서 메이슨의 모습은 찾을 수 없었고
Still warm.
Yeah.
Addison's gone. They flew her out.
What?
Change of plan.
No change of plans.
I'm speaking now. Charing Cross Tube Station, Old Platform 3, 10 minutes.
Just keep her safe. You understand?
And if this exchange happens to go pear-shaped, you be sure to make way for Mason.
I don't think there's much of Kyle left.
Looks that way.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
do this.
아처는 엉망이 된 상황을 수습하기 위해 예정대로 인질 교환을 진행합니다.
Thank you for this.
무슨 속셈인지 아처는 메이슨과 단둘이 약속 장소로 향하고
Stop there!
Joe, don't pull anything.
Where's Mason?
Well, someone has to keep eyes. I'm certain you're doing the same. Just the two of you. Slowly.
복면으로 얼굴을 가리고 조아나와 접선하는 메이슨.
Just know. I go, he goes.
She's around.
Shut up!
Okay, let's just relax.
The girl walks to me, and I let Paolo go.
No. You let him go first.
What's my guarantee, dear?
What's mine, Dahlia?
단 한순간의 실수로 모든 것이 물거품이 될 수도 있는 상황. 한 걸음 한 걸음 서로를 향해 다가가는 두 사람. 마침내 인질 교환이 성사되는데
Always a pleasure, Dahlia. All right, go.
그 순간 메이슨의 복면이 벗겨지고 공격을 가하며 애비가 빠져나갈 시간을 버는 메이슨.
Told you to go! Fuck off.
그렇게 메이슨 일행은 적을 따돌리며 무사히 현장을 벗어나죠.
Your head!
Abby, you okay?
하지만 그가 미처 예상치 못한 문제가 하나 있었으니
You mean Celeste?
바로 맨티코어가 애비의 요원 시절 기억을 되살려버렸다는 것.
How could you have done that to me?
Mason did this to you.
메이슨이 시타델을 무너뜨린 배신자였다는 사실을 알게 된 애비는 격렬하게 몸부림치고
Where are we going? Just drive! But Kyle knew, didn't you? You knew home's gonna be compromised. Just get us out of this. Where? What does it matter?
때마침 등장한 버나드 일행의 습격으로 메이슨은 결국 붙잡히게 됩니다.
What is there to talk about? Mason killed the motherfucker, which is really a huge boner killer for me and Celine.
메이슨이 브라가를 처단했지만 문제는 브라가의 수족인 조아나가 그의 암살 작전을 이어갈 수 있다는 것.
We have 30 hours before the Russian president is assassinated at the G8.
You said you made that Manchurian candidate code so tough to hack, it would take them years to figure it out.
With a black hat like Edison, they'll do it in no time. Whoever has the chip implanted in them, Manticore will be able to control them.
Chip? What are you talking about?
I blocked the software that accesses the chip. Hacker Lady goes in, unblocks the access to the software. Manticore gets their assassin.
I feel like the Manchurian candidate was not nearly this hard to follow.
Nothing could be more
Make things
simple.
way more complicated than they actually need to be.
Okay, the assassin could be any one of the hundreds of people present there. And the G8 is taking place with more security than the Kremlin and the White House. And despite all this, we have to stop the killer.
이대로 메이슨에게 죄를 묻기에는 한 사람의 전력이 아쉬운 상황.
That's for tasing me. That's for lying to me.
Are we done?
What were you thinking?
I was thinking I needed to save my wife, which I did. I killed Paolo. Why the fuck am I tied up?
Because I don't trust you.
The assassin's in motion. Gonna hit the G8 tomorrow.
What are you telling me?
Because the consensus is apparently you're needed for this. Figure out who you are. You can't be both of them. One will win.
조아나를 막기 위해서는 메이슨의 능력이 필요했지만 수많은 시타델 요원들을 죽음으로 몰아넣은 아처를 바라보는 시선은 전혀 달랐죠.
Really, this is too pathetic a way to kill me, even for you.
Yes. You owe me a tooth.
You owe me a husband, and a son, and a life.
메이슨에 대한 죄책감 때문인지 버나드는 아들을 괴물로 만들었다며 아처를 거칠게 몰아붙이지만
And coming back years later and manipulating him to murder thousands of his colleagues had anything to do with him breaking away from you?
When you took him under your wing and made him believe that violence against those inconvenient to your idea of progress was somehow justice.
I loved him too, you know.
Well, apparently, not enough to spare him.
It was an error.
If you're not here to kill me, and you're not here to gloat, why are you here, Bernard?
이미 메이슨을 작전에 투입하기로 한 상황. 더 이상 메이슨에게 가족을 잃는 상처까지 안겨줄 수는 없었죠.
On the contrary, I think this is the start of a beautiful friendship, Bernard.
Eyes forward. Unless you want to lose them.
대통령 암살 작전을 준비 중인 맨티코어.
That's impossible. I'm sure your daughter's probably at home waiting for your safe return. But if you don't fix this, I will send one of my people in there to douse her in gasoline and set her on fire.
All world leaders will arrive at the summit tomorrow at 11 a.m. There are checkpoints all over, so no weapons. You'll be fully exposed. Because once you're inside with the tech that Joanna has, she can turn anybody there into a killer. The journalists, the diplomats, politicians, security guards, anybody. She wants to send a message to the world. So I think that she's going to kill him at the press conference.
이런 상황에서도 메이슨은 애비를 안전한 곳으로 보내려 하지만
I need to put Abby somewhere safe first.
Ah bah oui, bien sûr. And we should just trust you that that's where you're going.
기억을 되찾은 후부터 메이슨을 증오하게 된 애비에게서 돌아오는 건 차가운 반응뿐이었죠.
I'm not going anywhere with you, with either of you.
You stay here, they'll find you, they'll kill you, then what's Hendrix gonna do?
조직을 무너뜨린 장본인과 함께 싸운다는 것. 그건 그 어떤 요원도 쉽게 받아들일 수 없는 일이었죠.
You would have done the same for your wife.
하지만 메이슨에게서 아버지를 앗아간 버나드는 그의 슬픔에 깊이 공감하고 있었고
I'm not going to play blood on my hands Olympics with you.
You were gonna let Abby die.
Yeah, as I would have let Joe, Val, you, or me. Because the alternative is exactly the same. We fail, they die anyway. What do you want from me?
Remorse.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I know what I took from you when you were a boy. It haunts me every day. And I'm sorry. Very. But maybe what we do tomorrow can start to set things right. There's a cottage about a mile away from the safe house. You can take Abby there. And then I need Mason Kane. One last time.
버나드의 진심 어린 사과와 설득 끝에 암살을 저지하기 위한 마지막 작전이 시작됩니다. 그런데 작전에 나서는 메이슨을 보며 어디론가 전화를 거는 아처. 맨티코어 역시 암살 작전을 위해 러시아 총리와 접선합니다.
Mr. Prime Minister.
Where is Mr. Braga?
I'll be quick.
브라가는 죽었지만 전 세계를 감시할 힘을 손에 넣겠다는 그의 야망은 아직 끝나지 않았는데
I have my own contingency.
And what would that be?
These satellites are the most powerful on Earth.
그의 뜻을 이어가려는 조아나가 마지막 판을 움직이고 있었죠.
We are exempt from your prying eyes. We remain free.
So we were friends?
에비는 요원 시절의 기억을 되짚으며 나디아에게 진실을 물어보는데
Were you in on it? What he did to me? No. Then why didn't you tell me who I was?
I really didn't know.
메이슨의 전 아내인 나디아 그리고 현재의 아내 에비.
I'm sorry for what I did to you. For what he took from you. I don't.
불편할 수밖에 없는 관계 속에서 저택 안에는 묘한 긴장감이 흐르고
Do you remember the weekend we went to Portland? Do you remember I left? Got another room. I mean, you were pretty fucking wasted, so I don't think you'd remember.
But yeah, I left. And the reason that I did was because when we were in bed, you said her name. Nadia. You whispered it in your sleep. And I should have told you, but I told myself I didn't know how. And I tried to believe otherwise, but I always felt that when you looked at me, when you really looked at me, you were somehow hoping you'd see her. I don't think you can blame it all on him, on Mason.
애비에게 저질렀던 일들에 대해 진심으로 사과를 건네는 메이슨.
Why'd you come back? Or was it him? Were you two drawn back to each other to save the world? It's a perfect cover.
It's not a cover. Everything I'm doing is for my daughter, and that's it.
Do you love him?
I wish I didn't.
기억을 되찾은 덕분인지 애비 역시 메이슨과 카일이라는 두 자아 사이에서 흔들렸던 그의 고통을 조금은 이해하게 되죠.
Do you love her?
I'm not doing this.
Why not?
Because it's cruel.
The truth is cruel.
I just risked everything to save your life. I love you.
그녀가 바라는 것은 단 하나. 이 모든 상황을 뒤로하고 딸을 만나러 가는 것.
Then we go now. We go get Hendrix. We do not look back. You can't have both.
메이슨이자 카일, 그리고 셀레스트이자 애비. 두 사람은 마침내 서로의 마음을 확인하며 화해를 하게 되지만 누구도 생각지 못한 변수가 두 사람 사이를 갈라놓게 됩니다.
Keep typing.
맨티코어가 애비에게 심어두었던 사람을 조종하는 칩.
Activate.
On it.
조아나가 그 칩을 작동시키는 순간 애비는 감정 없는 냉혹한 암살자로 변해버립니다.
What are you doing? It's you.
칩에 지배당한 애비는 메이슨을 알아보지 못한 채 그에게 치명상을 입히고
Hold on, okay? We gotta move you. Okay. Come on. Come on.
나디아는 서둘러 메이슨을 호송하지만 상처가 너무 깊은 나머지 흐려지는 의식 속에서 메이슨의 지난 삶이 주마등처럼 스쳐 지나가죠.
I'm so sorry. I love you.
I love you.
결국 사랑하는 아내의 손에 비극적인 최후를 맞이한 메이슨.
It was Abby, right?
What are you talking about?
Why would Abby kill Mason?
Because she's the fucking assassin. They used the backstop chip that was already in her head.
What? Me?
암살 코드가 가동되며 홀로 러시아 대통령을 죽이기 위해 움직이는 애비. 무슨 이유에서인지 한 부부를 잔혹하게 살해하는데
Catherine Walcott.
그 이유는 바로 대통령에게 접근할 수 있는 기자 신분을 손에 넣기 위해서였죠. 그 누구의 지시도 도움도 없이 오로지 목표를 향해 움직이는 냉혹한 암살자가 되어버린 애비.
date's in 2 hours. You need to get going.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to find Joanna. She'll be somewhere nearby with a transmitter. I'm going to try to power that down and turn Abby off. You three need to get into that castle and stop her from killing President Aronoff.
버나드가 작전을 구상하는 사이 아처는 그가 생각지 못한 적들의 약점을 파고드는데
You still haven't told me the name of the hotel.
출동하기 전 무슨 이유에서인지 상념에 잠긴 버나드.
Joanna checked in last night, so I'll be seeing you on the other side.
Okay.
What's wrong?
I did this to him.
메이슨이 복수기가 된 것, 그리고 그가 결국 죽음에 이르게 된 것도 버나드는 모두 자신의 책임이라 생각하고 있었죠.
And if I don't get out, I want you to finish it.
You have my word.
Thanks.
All the best.
그렇게 무거운 마음을 안고 버나드는 작전 지인 행사장으로 향합니다. 정상회담이 열리는 행사장에 무사히 잠입한 애비.
No entry here, mate. This is my land, so if you don't remove this metal fence, I'll call the council. This is publicly owned land. So is your mother, but you don't see me erecting a fence around her. What did you say?
시타델 요원들은 각자의 방식으로 행사장에 접근하기 시작하지만
Hey, how's it going? IDs? Yeah. Gordon. They're there.
멘티쿠어 역시 아파르나를 현장에 파견한 상황.
Is it done?
We're all set. Escrow is active. Malcolm will confirm delivery to the Prime Minister's account when it's done.
Good. Head to the airfield. Prepare for wheels up at 1300 hours.
Of course, ma'am.
브라가가 사망한 지금 총리에게 전할 뇌물은 그의 신탁 관리자 멜컴을 통해 전달될 예정이었지만
Hey, how's my girl?
Dad? How are we, Malcolm?
Dahlia, what are you doing?
Give me what I need, and your daughter lives. Understood?
아처는 멜컴의 딸을 납치해 브라가의 전 재산을 넘기라고 협박하죠.
Even if I wanted to give it to you, I can't.
Upon his death, you're the trustee of his estate, yes? Some would say that's a small price to pay for the life of their daughter. Ciao, ciao.
대통령을 암살해 위성 네트워크를 손에 넣으려는 멘티코어, 그리고 그들을 막아 세상의 질서를 지키려는 시타델.
There. She must be heading for the roof.
There had to be a million stairs.
아파르나가 시타델 요원들을 막는 사이 조용히 암살을 준비하는 애비.
Go! Get Abby! You good?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, gotta be fucking kidding me.
It can't be overstated how important the sudden return of Russia.
죽음의 그림자가 행사장 위로 서서히 들이우는 그때 뜻밖에도 어느 호텔로 발걸음을 옮기는 버나드.
Hey.
그가 노린 인물은 다름 아닌 브라가의 뜻을 이어받은 조아나. 버나드가 무리해서까지 적진에 침투한 이유는 단 하나. 이 모든 싸움에 종지부를 찍기 위해서였죠. 버나드가 모든 경호원들을 제거한 그때 대통령의 차량이 현장에 들어섭니다. 애비가 방아쇠를 당기는 순간 간신히 그녀를 저지한 나디아. 궁지에 몰린 애비는 나디아의 심리적 빈틈을 집요하게 파고들기 시작하는데
I understand you just want to kill the life of the man that you love, right? Now what are you gonna tell my daughter? Are you gonna look that little girl in the eyes and tell her that you murdered her mom? Are you willing to do that? What are you gonna tell Asha?
Well, someone has a very devoted staff.
조아나와 애비 두 사람에게 시시각각 다가오는 죽음의 그림자.
What's going on? What's happening? Did you just shoot me?
Don't do it.
No.
Please. Don't do it.
The tech works. The assassination's happening.
I know.
하지만 버나드가 그린 그림은 모두의 예상을 뛰어넘는 것이었죠.
I wanted to.
버나드의 지시를 받은 프랭크가 대통령의 차량을 날려버리고 애비는 그 혼란 속에서 반격을 시도하지만 나디아의 총에 맞고 쓰러집니다. 아수라장이 된 현장 가운데서 버나드가 맡긴 비밀 임무를 수행하는 프랭크. 그것은 바로 러시아 대통령을 암살하는 것.
It's done. See, you're not the only person who wanted Aronov killed.
You should let me live.
You killed Mason King. And if you hurt someone I love,
애비는 끝내 목숨을 잃고 모든 작전이 끝난 뒤 버나드에게 자초지종을 따지는 요원들.
It wasn't her. We stopped her. It wasn't Abby.
I know. It was us.
You murdered Aronov?
What the fuck did you do?
It's all part of the plan.
A plan that unfortunately I couldn't tell you about. We needed the satellites, and I didn't trust any of you to risk what it would take to get them.
You got Abby killed. You got Mason.
사실 버나드는 대통령의 죽음을 통해 더 큰 미래를 바라보고 있었죠.
This is f***ing insane.
With Aronov dead, the Prime Minister takes office, and we keep the most dangerous satellites ever built out of the hands of the families.
And we've put them in the hands of the Russians instead.
The Prime Minister is someone who can be negotiated with. He will sell the satellites for a price.
To who?
To us. We will bury Manticore.
이 모든 것은 맨티코어의 야욕을 저지하기 위한 선택이었지만
You knew it was Abby. You knew Abby was the assassin when she came back to us, didn't you?
애비가 암살자라는 사실을 알고도 프랭크가 대통령을 암살할 기회를 만들기 위해 그녀를 막지 않았던 것이었죠.
We don't need her.
그 냉혹한 선택에 실망한 나디아는 버나드를 떠나고 버나드는 남은 요원들과 함께 마지막 작전을 준비하는데
Did you get her? Joanna? Did you make it brutal?
And you?
32 billion.
아처가 가로챈 브라가의 자산을 이용해 총리에게 새로운 거래를 제안하는 버나드.
I'm stepping in for Joanna. She made a mess. And I thought you might want someone with a steadier hand. She was offering you 12 billion. I'm going to offer you 24 billion. We have a deal or what?
거절할 수 없는 막대한 금액으로 위성 네트워크 통제권을 사들인 그는
Do it.
누구도 브라가와 같은 야망을 다시는 꿈꿀 수 없도록 전 세계를 감시할 수 있는 위성 네트워크에 폐기 코드를 입력합니다.
Jesus Christ, Bernard. You bought all those satellites just to blow them up?
Billions evaporating into the atmosphere.
Nobody should have that kind of power.
그로부터 2달 뒤 죽은 메이슨의 묘비 앞에서 우연히 마주친 버나드와 나디아.
You reconsidering my offer? Everything we do is to protect.
Protect who? You have wiped out entire families while your family sits in...
Yes, sits in a safe house. My daughter hasn't been outside because she has a target on her head. And I will probably never see her again. So that I could ensure that everybody else's kids are safe. You are not supposed to retire. You're supposed to work with us.
버나드는 여전히 맨티코어와 싸우며 도망자로 살아가고 있었고
A parting gift. I can't put Asha at risk. But there are others out there who can help you kill the Manticore families.
나디아는 버나드에게 조력자가 될 이들의 연락처를 넘겨줍니다.
A man once told me that a spy can have 100 faces, 100 identities, 100 names. But we only have one soul.
그리고 자신의 이야기에 마침표를 찍기 위해 조용히 발걸음을 옮기죠.
Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no more.
I thought we should catch up.
시타델 시즌2가 돌아왔습니다. 가장 먼저 눈에 띄는 건 프리앙카 초프라 조나스의 압도적인 존재감입니다. 그녀는 여전히 강력한 카리스마로 시리즈의 중심을 단단히 잡아주고 있고 스탠리 투치는 특유의 여유 있는 위트와 센스로 이번 시즌에서 더욱 강한 인상을 남겨주고 있죠. 이번 시즌의 가장 큰 개선점은 액션입니다. 시즌 1보다 규모가 커졌고 움직임도 더 역동적이며 장면마다 긴장감이 확실히 살아있죠. 연출도 한결 세련되어졌고 불필요한 설명을 줄이면서 템포를 빠르게 끌고 가는데요. 시즌 1에 비해 확실히 속도감 넘치고 재밌습니다. 시즌 1보다 강력하게 업그레이드된 화려하고 중독성 있는 스파이 액션 시타델 시즌 2 리뷰였습니다.